Hello! We are looking at animals of North America today. And here's North America, which shows a lot of different animals. But we are specifically going to look at alligators. And on the map, you might be able to spy where the alligator is. Do you see? Way down here, the alligator, living in the Everglades swamps. The alligator is a reptile, and it loves to live in those swampy, grassy swamps. And we're going to be looking at an artist, which hopefully you've already looked at the artist, Andy Sakinski. And this is a how-to drawing that you'll be able to look at. And I'm going to show you how to draw an alligator kind of like his artwork. We are going to be inspired by him and his found object artwork. So I'm going to show you how to get started with this. So our first step here shows a circle and a few straight lines. You don't want to draw it too small on your paper. You want to use up your whole paper. So your circle should be pretty big compared to the paper. So I'm going to start mine off right here. Now for my paper, because it's this size, my circle is about the size of a quarter. Then I'm going to start in the middle of this circle on the bottom and make a line going straight down. Then I'm going to start in the middle up here and I'm going to go over and down. But I've still left room for a big tail and a big snout, right? Now for the next step, I've got the two legs, and those look like upside down U's. So I'm going to do an upside down U. And if it helps, you can even flip your paper around and make the U that way. So now I've got the beginning of the legs, and here, look at those claws. They kind of look like letters, like a letter M, right? So I'm going to go out, 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 out. And all I have to do now is put two mountains. 1, 2. 1, 2. Do not have to look perfect in any way. Then I'm going to connect the line back here on the bottom of the belly. So I'm going to go over to the leg, jump over the leg, come on down, go straight across this leg, jump over the leg, come over here, and go right over there to the end. I've got a little line coming on there. I'm not bothered by it. Now here's the tail. I want to go all the way to the edge of the paper, and it looks like a big letter V. I'm actually going to turn my paper and go from here down to this dot and back up here to make a V. Down and up. I'm using a black marker, but you're going to want to start in pencil, so if you make a mistake, it's no big deal. You can erase it. Now for the snout, I'm going to start somewhere on my circle here. I'm going to go out, make a little jump for the nostril, out and down. And on the bottom, I'm going to come up, over and up. And then I'm doing that same letter V shape, in and out. And the teeth, they're a letter V too. Ooh, look at the sharp teeth on the alligator. Oh my goodness. Now for the eye, I'm going to do two more circles, a medium circle and a little baby circle. There you go. Now's the fun part where you're going to add some pattern. So I'm going to add some spikes at the top. Your alligator does not need to match the examples. You can come up with your own idea. So if I'm looking at this, I might say, oh, okay, well, this looks really cool, but maybe I'm going to do mine in a different way. Like here, maybe I'm going to add two little stripes. And then on the tail, maybe I'm going to add some circles like this. And then maybe I'm going to add some little dots coming through like that. So I'm not copying these ideas, but I can take ideas from them, like I have the dots here, so I use that idea there. Maybe the little circle on the leg, maybe I'll do little triangles up here and use that idea. Maybe I'll use some of my dots here and add some of them here. Oh, I need to make a little nostril there. And then also in the body, I'm going to make some different lines. So I might make some straight lines like that, and then maybe some wavy lines. Now the background could be fun, just like these patterns. You could fill the whole background in with polka dots, or you could pretend he's in the swamp. So I'm going to draw a little bit of a line here, and down here, maybe over here will be some water because they love water, right? And then I'm going to have some big, I got to go behind my tail, so I need to jump over that. I'm going to have some big swampy grass, and my swampy grass, it's going to have a pattern too, so it's going to have little polka dots as well. So I don't have to make them all look realistic, since my alligator doesn't look super realistic, right? So there's some fun grass, and maybe there'll be some some more fun grass behind here. Kind of looks like he's got a mohawk. And then that one's going to have, that grass is going to have stripes on it. There's no wrong way to do this. Add lots of fun lines and shapes. Maybe I'll have a sun up here that kind of looks like his eye. And then it's going to have little spikes like his back. When you finish, color in very carefully. And what if you, after you're finished, try to think of other animals that you could draw in this style? That'd be pretty cool to do, like an owl or a type of bug in that style. That would be very cool. Good luck.